So, in the last class what we have talked about is, good afternoon students, we will start the class. So, we were discussing the chapter called as cell cycle and cell division. In the last class what we have discussed is, we have talked about a little bit about the introductory part and we have started the interphase, right. We know whenever we are talking about cell cycle, no, cell cycle ki hoy, nothing but certain types of or certain events that occur, right. And this cell cycle has been broadly divided into two phases, that is the interphase aru the division phase or the M phase. Interphase is also called as the I phase. Talking about I phase, what we said is, again it had kisman I phase or ki thake kisman steps thake no ba kisman parts thake jeneke G1 asile S asile aru ki asile next phase 2 G1 S, what next G2, right. After, yes, these three steps comprise of the I phase and together with that we have discussed something called as the G0 phase, right. So, what happens in this respective phases, for example, we have written the points, but just as just to remember a few points about the last class. G1 phase of what are the events or what is the most important event that occurs in G1 phase is ki koisilu G1 phase or ki hoisile. It is also called as K. G1 stage of DNA replication hoisile jano. Yes, maximum cell growth occurs in G1 phase, right. Aru G1 phase to ki boli koy post mitotic cell phase ba post mitotic phase, right, first gap phase etc. So, etu pura phase tour, the most important line that we remember is maximum cell growth takes place. Coming back to the next phase, that is S phase. S phase or ki monta sir, that this is one of the very important certain events, DNA duplication, centrioles duplication, right, centrioles eta pra duta hoy, histone protein synthesis etc. etc. After S phase it goes to G2, G2 ki hoy aru kisman bostu synthesis to already hoye thake, tar upori you have certain types of proteins, like we have talked about kinase protein, we have talked about tubulin protein, spindle fibers, spindle proteins bilak tat synthesize hoy etc. Together with that we had another phase that is called as G0 phase. What we said is, the cells that enter the G1 phase, if suppose they do not want to divide, then they will return back to the G0 stage. G0 stage ami ki boli koisilu, quiescent phase boli koisilu. In that phase the cells will either remain permanently or temporarily, means the cell will never divide or it might divide whenever the necessity arises, right. We have given certain examples. So, what we will do is, last class of that interface part was not completed, so we will be continuing from that. So, what you write is, aji ki likhiba points boli likhiba, first so, we will write certain points. Points of likhasan, first point, decision of a cell to divide occurs in G1 phase. Ekhine explain already korisu. If a cell does not divide, it will enter G0 phase, right. Ekhine to ami korisu already. Okay. When condition changes, it can enter back to G1 phase. Since we have explained this point in the last class, just write it down and see if you have any doubts, please ask. That is the first point. Second point likha, if cells enter S phase, they cannot revert back. Means what? S phase of the jai, the S phase of G1 phase ole they cannot come back. Janeke G1 or G0 phase they can go back, or revert, but if the cell already entered the S phase, right, reversion ba ako next agor phase to le jabole is not possible, right. Next ekhini hol niki first point to buzi paiso, right. Okay, next third point likha, we have something called as checkpoint or restriction point, right? So cell cycle eta bostu ase that is called as a checkpoint or the restriction point. If you talk about the cell cycle, I think we remember, no, we have drawn something like this. Cycle to keneke akisilu je ekhini jedi hol M phase, baki thakibo ki G1. Yes, please ask. We have just discussed the points. আমি interface last class করেছিল. Last class interface to explanation plus comparison between G1S and G2 we have done in the form of a chart. আজি যোনকেইটা points we had to write more about that. সেইখিনি আমি continue কৰিছো. ঠিক আছে? So we have completed 2 points. First point was পিছত তুমি আকৌ লিখি ল'বা ফ্ৰেণ্ডছৰ পৰা বা looking at the video you can write it down. I don't think I'll write it again. So first phase tells us that if the you don't have to leave a page, just leave half of the page. There are just 2 points. First point is suppose it goes like this, that if the cell goes to G1, it can go back to G0. That is the lump sum of that point. And second point tells us that if a cell enters S phase, it can never go back to G1 phase. Hey, দুটা point আমি discuss কৰিছো. ঠিক আছে? Just leave a place. Okay, next coming to this one, checkpoint or restriction point. Whenever we talk about cell cycle, there are certain proteins that are present in the checkpoints or restriction points. Means what? So, eta cell jete divide kori pelai G1 phase ot ahibo no, G1 phase ot jiman bilak, okay, etu ki G0. G1 phase or G1 activities asile no, it has to complete all the activities and then only it can go to the S phase. Similarly, once it enters the S phase, it has to complete all the activities that should occur in the S phase and then it will go to the G2 phase. Now, as far as these activities are concerned, cell to jetia G1 ot ahe, G1 or kamkhini hoise ne nai, kunubai to tak check koribo laibo no. For example, if you write an answer, whether that answer is correct or not, someone needs to check that, right? So similarly in the cell cycle also, you have certain points where the activities are checked, and if everything is proper, only then the cells are allowed to go to the next phase. Is the point understood? G1 phase hole ahibo, G1 or jikhini kam asile, jikhini points ami discuss koriso, hey guteikhini hobo lagibo, tetiahe cell to S ot it will enter. Now there should be someone who decides ei dutar majot at this point you have something called as a check gate, right? What is the function of this check gate? It will see whether the activities of G1 has been completed or not. Jedi hua nai, he G1 ote thakibo, jedi hoise it will go back to S. So similarly again S phase and again G2 hoise ne nai, whether the cell is ready to divide or not, yate ako checkpoint thakibo. So checkpoints, I think now you understood, right? Checkpoints ki hoy, there are certain types of proteins which will see whether the cell is ready to go to the next phase or not, right? So we have certain things called a checkpoint or restriction points. Tat likha major checkpoint is at G1 to S transition is step dutar মাজত. Any sobote checkpoint thake kintu major or minor buli it has been marked. right? Next point. Once the cell crosses the major checkpoint, rest of the cell cycle is completed, right? So checkpoints থাকিব তাৰ ভিতৰতে major checkpoint বুলি ক'লে it is in between G1 and S, then other checkpoints between G2 and M, another checkpoint between metaphase and anaphase যোনটো নেকি division phase of থাকিব, etc. etc. Once the cell crosses the major checkpoint, তাৰ মানে G1 ৰ পৰা যদি S লৈ যায় গৈ তেতিয়াহলে the cell cycle has to get completed, it cannot revert back. We have already written that point before. So ইয়াতে কিবা doubts আছে নেকি? না তাতো থাকিব কিন্তু whenever we use the word major and minor এইটা কথাহে কবি, right? প্ৰত্যেকটো ফেজতে চাব কিন্তু আমি মেজৰ বুলি ক'লে ইয়াতে কম, right? Okay, next. এইটো মই যোনটো লিখি আছো নে আগৰটো? অ'কে, এক ছেকেণ্ড. Okay, so checkpoint প্ৰত্যেকটো ফেজত, right, কি থাকে? Checkpoints কিছুমান থাকে. Once the cell crosses the major checkpoint, means what? Again come back to the diagram. So এইটো যদি M phase আছিলে, এইটো G1 আছিলে, এইটো S আছিলে আৰু এইটো G2. So আমি কি কৈছো? Major checkpoint ক'ত থাকিব? G1 আৰু S ৰ মাজত ইয়াতে থাকিব. So once the cell passes this checkpoint, no, হি ক'লে সোমাই আহিব? S লৈ সোমাই আহিব. So what does this point tells us? That once the cell crosses the major checkpoint, rest of the cell cycle is completed. Means what? Once it come back to here or once it enter here, he has to follow or he has to enter the cell cycle. Ta mon gole hi akko pisole ba G1 phase ole hi ghuri jabo noare. Jihetu ghuri jabo noare, what we said, cell to jihetu S phase ot pale hi. So the next step ki hobo? G2 hobo, tar next phase ki hobo? M phase hobo, tamane ultimately cell cycle to complete hobo. Kintu cell to jetia G1 ot ase tetia loke ami kobo noaru je cell cycle to complete hobo ne nohoy. If it wants to divide, then only it will come to S. If it does not want to divide, it will go back to G0, right? But if the cell enters S, it's very obvious that it will go to G2 and then it will go to M. Is the point understood? So what are checkpoints? These are nothing but specific time points will you say, right? And what is the function? They will decide whether the cell is ready to divide or not. But next phase to jabole tahate ready hoise ne nai, right? What they will check? Ki check kore? They will check whether the cytoplasmic is to nuclear ratio is proper. Next aru ki check koribo pare je cell tot proteins properly asen nai, jimanbur protein lage, the different proteins that we have studied hebu develop bhalke ba synthesis hoise nai. They will also check whether the number of chromosomes are properly placed or not, they will also check if DNA nuclear ratio, nucleus or junto ratio, nucleus or amount or cytoplasm amount. চেক পইণ্টছবিলাকে চেক কৰে তাৰমানে কি চেক পইণ্টছ কোৱা Okay, checkpoints বিলাকত কিছুমান proteins থাকে. If you remember, we have talked about a specific protein that is called as kinase, right? G2 phase of চাবাচোন আমি last class ত কি লিখিছিলোঁ যে kinase synthesis হয়, right? Kinase আৰু kinase cyclin dependent kinase আমি পিছত কম so সেই proteins বিলাকৰ যোনবিলাক সেই এটা transition zone কিছুমান specific proteins থাকে সেই proteins বিলাকে monitor কৰে cell to ready হৈছে নে নাই আৰু সেই কাৰণে তাহাঁতক আমি কি বুলি কওঁ checkpoint বুলি কওঁ right আৰু কি সুধিছিলা তুমি last previous minor checkpoints বিলাকৰ কাম হ'ব যে duration to কিমান লাগিব ধৰা এটা specific duration হ'ব লাগিছিল কিন্তু হোৱা নাই so if it is not ready তাক কমাবলৈ নিদিব he will be confined to that point itself কিন্তু যেনেকৈ আমাৰ যেনেকৈ S হলে যদি নাযায় G1 ৰ পৰা উল্টাকৈ গৈ পেলাই ক'ত যাব পাৰে G0 তো যাব গৈ পাৰে right কিন্তু বাকিবিলাক checkpoints ঘূৰি যাবলৈ নিদিয়ে কিন্তু সেইটো ষ্টেজতে থাকি দিব যেতিয়ালৈকে ৰেডি নহয় তেতিয়ালৈকে নেক্সট ষ্টেজত যাবলৈ নিদিয়ে right right so we have something called as the checkpoints বিলাকে decide কৰে cell to divide কৰিব নোৱাৰে so what they will check various things they will check the protein content they will check the cytoplasmic content nuclear content they will check the DNA কেনেকুৱা হৈছে duplicate কৰিছে নে নাই etc প্ৰত্যেকটো বস্তু চেক কোনে কৰিব এই checkpoints বিলাকে কৰিব clear If DNA is damaged, cell cycle does not proceed. Because DNA duplication hobo lagibo na ultimately cell division boli kole nuclear division to hoboi lagibo karyokinesis hoboi lagibo. So nuclear division means what? We are talking about the division of the genetic material that is found inside the nucleus. So genetic material, genes, DNA ebu sob properly thakibo lagibo. Tetiahe tomar daughter cell properly pabogoi, right? So if the DNA is damaged, tetiahole tat ki hobo cell cycle to complete no hobo. Next, checkpoint or under it likhi thakiba point number 3 etu soli ase next likha there are two proteins at checkpoints. What are the two proteins? Number 1, cyclin protein. Right? So checkpoint at ki thakibo proteins thakibo. Cyclin protein or kotha eta information likhim. They are present in small amount in a cell. Right? Cyclin protein of first point, they are present in a cell but in a very small amount. Second point to likha they may be active or not depends on the situation right? তাৰমানে in the cell cycle কি থাকিব checkpoint থাকিব checkpointত কি থাকিব two types of proteins থাকিব first protein is cyclin protein is present in each and every cell but they will remain in an active state or inactive state depends on the situation means what তাহাতে active কেতিয়া হ'ব যেতিয়া তাহাতে check কৰিব লগা হয় if the time does not arise no if suppose তাহাতৰ check কৰা সময় হোৱা নাই তেতিয়ালৈকে they will remain in inactive form যেতিয়া check কৰা সময় হ'ব then only they will become active. So these 2 points, a duta point from examination point of view is not very important but this one or the name of the protein is important. And next is CDK or cyclin dependent kinase. Duta protein এটা হল cyclin protein এটা হল kinase protein কিন্তু kinase protein to কি হয় cyclin dependent হয় So CDK information likha it is formed only when cyclin is present aru hekarne tak ami ki boli koiso je cyclin dependent and what is the function of CDK the function of CDK is to activate or deactivate proteins. Again, similarly, ki hobo yate janeke mo koiso these 2 points are not very important from examination point of view. Similarly, in case of CDK also, these 2 points are not very important from examination point of view. All you have to remember is in the cell cycle ki thake cell cycle or checkpoints thake checkpoints bilakot ki thake checkpoints are proteins thake two types of proteins that are found in checkpoints are cyclin and CDK or cyclin dependent kinase. So, kiba problem ase niki নহয় ha so major minor sab aru besi details of jeti ami cell cycle পঢ়ো no চাৰিটা transition phase ত চাৰিটা তোমাৰ checkpoint থাকে আমি তো ইয়াতে অকল দুটাৰ কথা কৈছো no not necessary অকল দুটা থাকে যতে checkpoint থাকিব তাতে এই দুটা protein থাকিব cyclin থাকিব আৰু CDK থাকিব So is the point about checkpoints clear? Okay. So we were discussing certain points and this was all the information, I mean this was the information about the third point as a checkpoint. Now we'll move to the fourth point. Ekini hol niki musibo paro? Okay. Ha. Please ask. Major duta proteins থাকে আৰু অকল যে পছৱা চেক পইণ্টত চেক কোনে কৰে প্ৰটিনছে চেক কৰে ৰাইট আৰু কি প্ৰটিনছ থাকে সাইক্লিন আৰু সিডিকে থাকে বাস নহয় হে প্ৰটিনটোক এক্টিভেট কৰিব নে নকৰে এটা সাইক্লিনৰ মই কি লিখিলো এক্টিভেট অৰ ইনএক্টিভেট ষ্টেটত থাকিব এক্টিভেট কেতে কোনে কৰিব কাইনেজে কৰিব ৰাইট So cyclin to already ase tak activated to koribo lagibo jate niki hi kam to korok he activate kora function to kune koribo kinase control koribo right dependent kinase buli koisa ha এটা সাইডে কাইনেজ কেতিয়া ফর্ম করব যেটা সাইক্লিন থাকিব আর আমি জানো যে সেলত সাইক্লিন সদায় থাকে বাট ইট মাইট বি ইন আ ভেরি স্মলার কোয়ান্টিটি সাইক্লিন যদি থাকে তেতিয়াহে কাইনেজ থাকিব আর কাইনেজে কি কন্ট্রোল করব প্রোটিনটো অ্যাক্টিভেট বা ডিসঅ্যাক্টিভেট করাত হেল্প করব অনবরত টু অ্যাক্টিভেটেড কন্ডিশনত থাকিব না লাগে ন ওয়ান্স দ্য ফাংশন ইজ ওভার তেয়া প্রোটিনটো কি হ'ব লাগিব ডিঅ্যাক্টিভেট হৈ যাব লাগিব সো এই ফাংশনটো কোনে কৰিব কাইনেজে কৰিব ক্লিয়ার Okay, welcome. Next, we go to the fourth. Activate or deactivate. Next. The next point. In S phase, checkpoint or information sami complete korilu. Next point of joa. In S phase, DNA gets ki likhesilo ami duplicated no last class of S phase of सबसे important काम की the DNA gets duplicated. हाँ. From 2C to 4C, but এইটো পইণ্ট যোৱাবাৰ ক্লাছত এক্সপ্লেইন কৰিছোঁ. কৰিছিল নাই চোৱাচোন বৰ্ডত পঢ়ি চোৱা পইণ্টটো. এছত কি হয় ডুপ্লিকেশ্যন হয় ৰাইট. চ' উই হেভ টকড এবাউট দিছ ওৱান ৰাইট. এইটো ছিংগল ক্ৰম'জম. ঠিক তেনেকৈ ইফ ইউ আৰ টকিং এবাউট দিছ ইজ অলছ' ছিংগল ক্ৰম'জম. বাট ইয়াতে কি থাকিব 2C থাকিব, ইয়াতে কি থাকিব 4C থাকিব ৰাইট. 2C পৰা 4C কেতিয়া হ'ব S phase. Last class we have already explained, but this is just in the form of points that we are writing it down. Right? So this one is also a single chromosome. And this one is also a single chromosome. What is the difference between both the diagrams? Je eta genetic material kom ke ase, eta double ke ase. C की represent करे content of DNA. Right? So S phase or important event, chromosome remains the same but DNA content doubles. Clear? Okay. Next. ঠিক আছে এইখিনি লিখা হৈছিলে নাই ওপৰখিনি কি লিখিছিল ইন S phase no DNA gets duplicated from 2C to 4C but chromosome number remains the same. Remains the same. Ha. Means ইয়াতো এডাল ক্ৰোমোজোম আছে ইয়াতো এডালেই ক্ৰোমোজোম আছে. DNA duplication হোৱাৰ মানে that does not mean that chromosome যদি 46 আছিল এবাৰ একদম ডাবল হৈ গ'ল তেনেকা নহয়. খালি DNA বা genetic material amount খিনিহে বাঢ়িব. Next we have point number 5. Something about G1 phase. Sobore picture blur ahise okman tua. Okay, just wait. Okay, is it clear ahise? Hello? Can you see the board clearly now? Okay, so this is exactly. This is point number 5. Point number 4 we have already written. Point number 5 to likhila just for information. Right. So this is all about the first phase. that we have discussed, that is interphase, right? Cell cycle divided into two phases, interphase or dividing phase. Interphase are all the information we have completed. Now next we need to divide or we have to discuss about the M phase. But before going to the M phase, ketaman questions ami okoman sai lo kenuka dhoroner ahise. Etu complete hol niki? Okay. Interphase related ketaman questions. Okay, the first question is, cells like neuron and heart cells in G0 phase are option কেটামান দিয়া আছে Okay, can you see the question? This question is related to the G0 phase, right? G0 phase ami ki porisilu, say it is the inactive phase, right? Cells, once it enters the G1, it might go back to G0 if it does not want to divide. As far as the cells in the G0 stage is concerned, what we have discussed, je tat permanently thakibo but temporarily thakibo, and so another name of G0 is quiescent center. It could be also called as the quiescent phase. So this is a question related to do this G0 phase. Answer to ki hobo? Cells like neuron and heart cells in the G0 phase are metabolically active. Answer A, B, C, D. Ako blur hoise. Yeah. Kisumane A koise, kisumane B koise. At the first kotha board kon bhalke dekhisan nai. Nedekha ke option er answer to kene ki kola? Okay, okay. What about the rest of the students? Did you finish it again? Etia dekha paisa nai? No ma'am, right? Then what to do? Answer. Question to sobor likha hoise no? Answer A hobo. Answer A hobo, Answer A. Karon phase 2 kotha question to raha nai. Question 2 ahise about the cells. Cells are always active but the G0 phase is inactive. Is the picture clear now? No. Jodi picture clear no hoy tete hale keneke korim. Thik ase etu question hol. Yar answer to ami gom palu. Yes? So will it be okay if I dictate the second question? Right? Since you cannot see the board clearly, G dekha paisa aru de, okoman jodi dekha paisa likha. As I write the question, I'll dictate it. Okay. So question number 2. If diploid daughter cells, have 10 pg whole unit, picogram, 10 pg of DNA in their nucleus, if diploid daughter cells have 10 pg of DNA in their nucleus, determine the amount of DNA in their mother cell at the G2 phase. Options that are given are 10 pg, 20 pg, amount of DNA in their mother cell, amount of DNA in their mother cell at the G2 phase. Okay. Options: first option 10 pg, second option 20 pg, third option 25 pg, and fourth option 15 pg. The answer would be 20 pg. Correct. So, be buji paisa question to? Haploid theke haploid etu ase. Oh, yate to daughter cells diploid ase. ঠিক আছে। So yate jodi diploid ase tetia hale etu twice n, daughter to twice n, mother to twice n. So tahator ki thakibo? Eketai thakibo. Right? Duta cell dia ase. Daughter cell condition ki diploid. Mother cell condition ki diploid, twice n twice n. Jedi twice n, eta twice n daughter cell ot jiman DNA thakibo, mother cell ot himen DNA thakibo. So daughter cell ot kiman asile? 10. So mother cell ot kiman thakibo? Mother cell ot 10 thakibo. Kintu why is the answer 20? Because we have talked about dead cell entering the G2 phase. Buji paisa ne nai question to swa? Board kon dekha paisa niki etia? Pause kora ase na? Ki ase network issue. pause কৰি হোৱা নাই যিহেতু can you see the board can you see the board now বোৰ্ডখন দেখা পাইছানে নাই এতিয়া পুৰা ক্লিয়াৰ আহিছে ওকে ঠিক আছে আকৌ যেতিয়া ব্লাৰ আহিব মোক কৈ দিবা ওকে সো উই আর ডিসকাসিং এনি স্টুডেন্ট হ্যাভিং ডাউট ইন দিস কোয়েশ্চন কিবা বুজি পোৱা নাই যদি কোৱা যদি বুজি পাইছা উই ক্যান প্রসিড টুৱাৰ্ডছ দ্য নেক্সট কোয়েশ্চন যদি কিবা ডাউট আছে সুধা সো ইয়াৰ কোয়েশ্চনটো কিহৰ ওপৰত আছে ডটাৰ সেলৰ কন্ডিশন কি ডিপ্লয়েড কোয়েশ্চনটো কিহৰ ওপৰত মাদাৰ সেলৰ কন্ডিশন কি ডিপ্লয়েড ৰাইট সো ডিপ্লয়েড থাকিলে ডিপ্লয়েডত এই ডিপ্লয়েডটোত কিমান ডিএনএ আছিলে 10 ডিএনএ মাদাৰ সেলতো কিমান থাকিব 10 ডিএনএ থাকিব কিন্তু ইয়াতে ফেজ কি সুধিছে G2 ফেজ ন সো আলটিমেটলি G2 ফেজ পাব লাগিলে S ফেজটো ক্ৰস কৰিব লাগিব সো S ফেজটো যেতিয়া ক্ৰস কৰি পেলাই G2 ফেজ হ'ব তেতিয়াহলে 10 ডিএনএ টো কি হ'ব 20 হৈ যাব সো the answer would be 20 next question হ্যাপ্লয়েড সেল থাকিলে এইটো আনসারটো বেলেগ হ'ব আনসারটো 40 হৈ যাব হ'বনে নহয় আকৌ বেয়া হ'ল এটা দেখা পাইছা ওকে হে তোমাৰ হে কোয়েশ্চনটো মই আনসাৰ এতিয়া দি আছে চোৱা এইটো কোয়েশ্চন লিখা তেতিয়াহলে গম পাবা কোয়েশ্চন নম্বৰ 3 কোয়েশ্চন নম্বৰ 2 কি আছিলে যে দুইটা ডিপ্লয়েড কন্ডিশন দিয়া আছে ন ইয়াতে চোৱা আৰু এটা কোয়েশ্চন দি আছো if egg ৰবা পেনটো ভালকে লিখা নাই if egg of an organism has 10 pg of DNA in its nucleus, how much DNA would a diploid cell of same organism have in G2 phase of meiosis? এবার কোয়েশ্চনটা চোৱা তুমি এইটো কোয়েশ্চনে কৰিছিলা নেকি যদি ডটাৰ সেলটো হ্যাপ্লয়েড হয় তেতিয়া কি হ'ব আগৰটোত কি আছিল ডটাৰ সেল ডিপ্লয়েড আছিল মাদাৰ সেলও ডিপ্লয়েডে আছিল ৰাইট সো ডটাৰ সেলৰ 10 আছিল মাদাৰ সেলৰ কিমান আছিল 10 কিন্তু G2 ফেজত কিমান হৈ গ'ল 20 ইয়াতে কি কৰিছে information দিয়া আছে এগৰ ওপৰত so whenever we talk about egg to haploid or diploid it's a haploid cell so haploid কি দিয়া আছে what is the amount it is 10 question has been asked about a diploid cell. So what would be the amount? 20. এতিয়া answer to 20 হ'ব নে বেলেগ হ'ব? answer to কিমান হ'ব? এতিয়া ক্লিয়াৰ হৈছে? সেইটোৱেতো কৈ আছে আগৰটো ডিপ্লয় দিয়া আছে দুইটা কণ্ডিশ্যন এক তোমাৰ মাদাৰ চেলো ডিপ্লয় দিয়া আছে ডটাৰ চেলো ডিপ্লয় দিয়া আছে ইয়াতে কিন্তু মাদাৰ চেল ডিপ্লয় ডটাৰ চেল হেপ্লয়ড দিয়া আছে তো তুমি সেইটোৱেতো খুজিছা যে হেপ্লয়ড হ'লে কি হ'ব চ' হেপ্লয়ড হ'লে এইটো হ'ব হেপ্লয়ড হ'লে এগৰ ইনফৰ্মেশ্যন দিয়া আছে তাৰমানে হেপ্লয়ড চেল এটা দিয়া আছে হেপ্লয়ড চেলত কিমান আছে 10 pg তেতিয়াহ'লে ডিপ্লয়ড চেলত কিমান হ'ব হ'বনে নহয় clear ha haploidot one set of chromosomes diploidot two set of chromosomes so haploidot jiman thake diploid cellot tar double thakibo hobo right next যেতিয়া এই ডিপ্লয়ড ষ্টেজটো কি হ'ব লাগিব G2 phase পাব লাগিব ৰাইট যেতিয়া G2 phase পাব মাজতে S phase থাকিব না থাকে বুজি পাইছানে ৰাইট যদি S phase যায় এই 20 টো কি হৈ যাব ডাবল হৈ যাব সো G2 phase ৰ পিছত এই ডিপ্লয়ড সেলটোৰ এমাউন্ট অফ DNA কিমান হ'ব বুঝিছা সো ইয়াতে কি দিছে সাপোজ এটো হলো সেল সাইকেল রাইট এটো মাইটোসিস কি এম ফেজ এটো G1 এটো S এটো G2 রাইট ডিভিশন ফেজ হৈ গল রাইট ইয়াতে কি কৈছে এগৰ DNA কিমান 10 দেন মাদাৰ সেলৰ কিমান আছে 20 সো আলটিমেটলি ইয়াতে এটা সেল আছে এটো সেল টুৱাইস n এটো সেলত কিমান হেৰি আছিল 20 pg আছিল এই সেলটো ইয়ালে আহিব ইয়াত থাকিলেও কিমান হ'ব 20 pg নেক্সট ইয়ালে যাব ইয়ালে গলে কিমান হ'ব 40 pg সিমিলারলি এইবিলাকত কিমান হ'ব 40 pg সো আনসার কি হ'ব 40 pg Can I rub the board? Next, question number 4. Next. What will be the amount of DNA? Ekana type of question diya aso. What will be the amount of DNA in a somatic cell at G2 if its meiotic product have 20 pg of DNA. Answer would be 80. Very good. That is question number 4. বুজি পাইছো no? Question number 5. The number of DNA in chromosome at G2 state of cell cycle. Next question. এটা মুছুলৈ আগৰটো So answer to question number 5. Can you see the board now? Answer? Two. Karan S stage at ki hobo 1 DNA will double itself and become 2 DNA. S stage or pisot hai G2 to G2 ki thakibo 2 DNA thakibo. Next. In cell cycle, changes of which stage are not visible under the microscope. It is interface, correct. And baki kita ami we see it under a microscope. So enuka dhoroner questions ahise, I think that's all. Questions aru ami baki khini jete assignments discuss korim, then we'll be discussing. Can I rub the board? Okay. So up till now what we have studied is, we have started something called as the cell cycle, and we know now that the cell cycle consists of two phases, that is the interphase and the division phase. Interphase or gutei bilak stage ami complete korilo. Next we have to go or discuss the division phase, but before going to the division phase we have to get an answer to this question. Division phase discuss korim, but we have to get an answer as to why does a cell divide. Eta cell kihor karone divide kore. Various scientists have tried to explain in their various theories, right? Bahut bilak scientists e beleg karonor karone eta cell divide kore boli koise, but specifically no one has come up with one proper answer, right? Eta cell kihor karone divide kore, but there are so many theories and hypotheses that are given to explain this question. So out of all আমি দুটা পঢ়িম, why does a cell divide? তো তাত লিখা a cell divides on the basis of a cell divides on the basis of number 1 surface volume ratio and number 2 Kern-Plasm theory, right? So cell to kihor karone divide korise, so kisumane koise it's because it has a relation with the surface and the volume of the cell, surface volume ratio. Some says that it is because of this theory which explains that why does a cell divide. Kern-Plasm theory kisumane koi because of this reason a cell divides, or kisumane koi because of this reason a cell divide, right? So we are going to just study this two, not very important from MCQ point of view, neither from board's point of view, right? Kintu tothapi ami jani thobo laibo. So first heading koriba surface volume ratio. Tat likha a cell has many cell organelles. Etu to ami janu organelles kot ase organelles bilak in the cytoplasm. The organelles and the nucleus get all the requirement from the cell surface. When the cell grows, cytoplasm volume grows faster as compared membrane. So the cell divides. So likhi thakute ki likhisa okon saba. So some are of the opinions that because of surface volume ratio the cell divides. Tamane ki koise je eta cellot ki thakibo obviously nucleus and other organelles, no? Ebla ki hoy organelles, this is cytoplasm, right? And this one is a cell membrane. So what they said is, they said যে এই সেলটোৰ ভিতৰত নিউক্লিয়াছে হওক বা অৰ্গেনেলিজে হওক এই গোটেইবিলাকে তাহাঁতৰ ৰিকুৱাৰমেণ্টটো ক'ৰ পৰা পাই থাকে, cell surface of property, right? But as the cell grows, no, as the cell grows, the contents inside the cell grows much faster as compared to the cell membrane. So cell membrane ki hoy tar sufficient dibo laga na thake kom pori jay. So prothomote cell to eta proper eta normal shape ot asile, normal size and shape ot thakute before prior to division, karon ami janu je what happens if a cell has to divide, then obviously it has to grow. If it has to grow, by the word growth what we understand that the contents inside the cell grows, right? So the first explanation as to why does a cell divide is because the cell membrane at a time becomes what? Incapable to provide nutrition to the nucleus and the cytoplasm that is growing or increasing its amount inside the cell. Read the sentence properly and see. Cell to kihor karone divide kore? Cytoplasm volume besi hoi jay as compared to ki? As compared to the cell membrane. So a growing cytoplasm khinik sufficient amount of nutrients cell membrane khone dibo nware. That might be one reason why the cell divide. Cell divide korile ki hobo? The amount of cytoplasm will get divided. Nijor ekhon membrane thakibo. So each membrane will supply the nutrients to the specific cytoplasm. Kintu ekhon membrane or bhitor jodi cytoplasm content besi hoi jay, then the membrane becomes inefficient to do its functions properly. And scientists are of opinion that this might be a reason why the cell divide. Are the sentences clear? Blur to say. Kuntu dekha nai koasun? Which one? First one? Nai hua no? Last point. Okay, right. Yeah. When the cell grows, please write. When the cell grows, cytoplasm volume grows faster. When the cell grows, cytoplasm volume grows faster as compared to the cell membrane. When the cell grows, cytoplasm volume grows faster as compared to the cell membrane. So the cell divides. Did you get it? Okay. Mane gutei khini ne point 2. So yate third point no tamane yate swa eglak mane ki hoise je various scientists they try to explain why does a cell divide. Cell to no all of a sudden ki ho karone divide korile kiba kibi to condition ase sake jar karone divide korise. So one condition is they are of opinion the surface aru volume ratio to mila nai je jiman surface cell membrane khonor bhitorot jiman khini amount thakibo lage cytoplasmor tatke jodi cytoplasm to besi hoi jay tetia hole they are of the opinion that might be a reason to divide. So cell to kio divide korile tahate koise cytoplasm amount jetia besi hoi gol hei karone cell to divide korile. What they said is je eta cellot cytoplasm বা organelles বা nucleus sobe nutrients kopra pai thake cell membrane khonor pora pai thake. So cell membrane khonor eta specific capacity ase je moi iman khini nutrients he dibo parim that would be sufficient for this amount of cytoplasm. But if the cytoplasm increases tetia hole cell membrane khon inefficient hoi jabo na jay. Eta amount of nutrients dibo pare jodi besi hoi jay tetia hole dibo paribo niki? Nwaribo. So that might be one reason why the cell divides, right? Because the cell membrane becomes inefficient. Is the point understood? So ki koise je cell eta jetia grow kore cell membrane khonu grow kore cytoplasm o grow kore but car growth faster cytoplasm or growth faster as compared to the cell membrane. Jedi duita cell membrane aru cytoplasm eke homane grow korile heten tetia hol to problem e nai. The cell membrane would have grown bigger and then it would have supplied everything to the growing cytoplasm. But the cytoplasm is growing faster, cell membrane as compared growing at a slower rate. He karone hei problem to karone cell to divide kore boli they are of the opinion. Is the point understood? Okay. So why does a cell divide? So some said because of this reason the cell divide. Aru kisumane ki koisile we have to talk about a theory that is called as kern plasm theory. Likha kern plasm theory. Yate likha nucleus controls all the activities of the cell organelles. but cell organelles and cytoplasm grows more fast than the growth of the nucleus. So the cell divides. So ever etu point buji paisa ne nai? A cell divide when it has grown to a certain maximum size which determines the which disturbs, not determines, the karyoplasmic index. Okay, so the next theory is about key nucleus and the cytoplasm. Kisumane koise first to ami ki poriso cytoplasm content to besi hoy goise as compared to the cell membrane, and so the cell divided. Yate ki koise that it is a relation between the nucleus, right, which controls all the activities of the organelles. Aru yate ki koise je jetia cell to grow korise tar cytoplasm khini grow korise, cell organelles bilako duplicate korise, kintu at the same rate nucleus at the same time by at the same rate growth hua nai. We know everything is controlled by the nucleus. If all other contents increases, right, tetiahole nucleus again this time will become inefficient to control the increasing amount of the cytoplasm and the cell organelles, and that might be a reason why the cell divides. Prothom to ki koisilu je cell surface kon inefficient hoisile providing nutrients. Yate ki koisu nucleus e gute khini control kori ase cell to bhitor ji bostu ase, kintu jodi cytoplasm o bari ase, organelles o bari ase, tetia eta time enukwa hoy that the present state of the nucleus is no longer capable of controlling the contents in the cell. At that moment only the cell divide jeta nucleus e control koribo nuara hoi jay. Kyo nuare? Karon amount to bari goise. Kihor amount bari goise? Cytoplasm and the cell organelles. Read the statement properly. Right. So etu kotha, so this statement could be referred to as like this also. A cell divides when it grows to a certain, please ask. So kuntu agor to clear hoise nai? First to clear, second to. So ebilak hol kisumane koise, we cannot be sure whether this is the correct answer why the cell divides. Okay. So some said that because of something called as kernplasm or karyoplasmic index cell eta divide kore. Karyoplasmic index ami pisat porhim. Etialoke ami ki porhiso je some scientists are of the opinion je cell to ketia divide koribo. Cell to enukwa eta situation or divide koribo jetia nucleus e gutekhini contents control koribo nwara hoi jabo. They are of the opinion je jetia eta cell thake, cell to सबसे important বা controlling factor কি হয়? Nucleus. তার উপর apart from the nucleus what you have inside the cell? Cytoplasm. আৰু কি আছে? Organelles. Right. এটা specific amount or lokehe এটা nucleus e gute bilakok control koribo paribo. Right? Control means what? In and out of nutrients, RNA, DNA, so etc. etc. proteins, ৰাইট সো এই যে সাইটোপ্লাজমখিনি আছে এই অৰ্গানেলিজবিলাক আছে যিমানবোৰ সেলটোৰ ভিতৰত আছে তাকটো কোনবাই কন্ট্ৰোল কৰিব লাগিব সো কোনে কন্ট্ৰোল কৰিব নিউক্লিয়াছে কন্ট্ৰোল কৰিব নিউক্লিয়াছে কাক কন্ট্ৰোল কৰিব পাৰিব cytoplasm or organelles provided they are in a specific amount if the amount increases it no longer remains capable of controlling and at that time it divides divide korar loge loge ki hobo nucleus duta form koribo duta nucleus form koribo cell duta hobo horu horu cellot eta nucleus hi control koribo kintu cell tu jedi dangor hoi jay nucleus jedi horu hoi thake nucleus e gutei cell tu control koribo nwara hoi jay and maybe because of that reason the cell divides তামানে এটা ক্লাসরুমত 10টা স্টুডেন্ট আছে 10টা স্টুডেন্ট মই কন্ট্রোল কৰিব পাৰিছো 100টা স্টুডেন্ট আহিলে মই কন্ট্রোল কৰিব পাৰিম নেকি at that time what will I do will divide the class into two exactly the same explanation about this also it has a capacity nucleus to control কৰিব পৰা এটা capacity আছে সেই capacity টোকে যদি ইনক্রিজ কৰে তেতিয়া হি আৰু কন্ট্ৰোল কৰিব নোৱাৰে কন্ট্ৰোল যদি কৰিব নোৱাৰে it leads to the division of the cell Is the point understood? Okay. Next. So, yate ki koise swa a cell divides when it has grown to a certain maximum size. Ar jetia cell to eta maximum size grow kore, hey cell to disturbs something called as karyoplasmic index. Eta cell or karyoplasmic index boli eta factor ase. Hey factor to jedi disturb hoy. তেতিয়াহে cell to divide কৰিব what is karyoplasmic index we'll be talking about it but as of now what you understand is cell eta কেতিয়া divide কৰিব যেতিয়া cell to karyoplasmic index to disturb হ'ব karyoplasmic index কেতিয়া disturb হ'ব যেতিয়া cell to maximum size পাই যায় after getting or after obtaining the maximum size what happens is it disturbs the karyoplasmic index আৰু যেতিয়া karyoplasmic index disturb হ'ব তেতিয়া cell to divide কৰিব now what is karyoplasmic index karyoplasmic index or Ki value of a cell. Tat likha, it is the nuclear cytoplasmic ratio. So karyoplasmic index mane ki? It is the nuclear cytoplasmic ratio. Eta cellot cytoplasm or amount kiman or nucleus or amount kiman. Ei duita bostu jedi poru that factor would be called as ki karyoplasmic index. So eta cellor jedi nuclear or cytoplasmic ratio to disturb hoy tetia eta cell divide kore. Is the point clear? Eta cellor jeta nuclear or cytoplasmic content to ratio to খেলিমেলি হয় বা যিমান থাকিব লাগিছিল তাতকে বেছি হয় তেতিয়া হলে কি হ'ব সেল টু ডিভাইড কৰিব নিউক্লিয়াস সাইটোপ্লাজমিক রেশিও দিস ফ্যাক্টর ইজ কল্ড এজ কি karyoplasmic index now you have to take out the karyoplasmic index of a cell etu keneke dekhai so if you are talking about karyoplasmic index etu ami measure koribo paro it is volume of the nucleus by volume of cytoplasm minus volume of nucleus. So a relation to by a formula to help loi pelai ami eta cellor karyoplasmic index to ulabo paru and then we will say or we will see whether the cell will divide or not. So when does a cell divide? According to this, it depends on the nuclear content and it depends on the cytoplasmic content. Ki is also denoted by eketai bostu Ki is equal to volume of the nucleus by volume of cytoplasm by minus volume of nucleus. Eketai bostu. So Ki related sums but enuka dhorono kono problem sums dia nai khali etu bostu mone rakhiba ketia ba taku it's not very frequently asked right? Point लिखा right? So cell cycle or interface আমি complete কৰিলো. Before going to dividing phase, we have to study as to why does the cell divide. So according to various scientists, they are of various opinions. We have talked about two. A cell divides depending on the ratio of nuclear content and cytoplasmic content, that is called as this one that we have talked about, current plasm theory. আৰু আগৰটো আমি কি পঢ়িছিলোঁ যে it depends on the surface volume ratio, cell membrane surface কিমান আৰু inside the cell volume কিমান, কিহৰ volume, cytoplasmৰ volume. So এই দুটা reasonৰ কাৰণে cell divide কৰে. Out of this contents that we have studied, question generally আহা নাই, কিন্তু question অকল এটা বস্তু কাৰণে আহিছে যে karyoplasmic index indicate dash. Karyoplasmic index indicates as to when will a cell divide or why does a cell divide, right? Question to ahibo pare, why does a cell divide is determined by karyoplasmic index. Our maximum ki ahibo pare, karyoplasmic index is denoted as, so Vn by Vc minus Vn. Ekhini saliba bas aru tatke beshi nai. নহয়, as compared to the cytoplasm, nucleus jimankhini contains thake, it is capable to control the entire cell. Cytoplasm to na dangor cell, eta cell dangor ketia hobo jetia hi grow koribo lagile kuntu grow koribo, nucleus o grow koribo, cytoplasm o grow koribo, kintu we know the rate of growth of cytoplasm is much faster than the nucleus. দুইটা যদি সমানে সমানে গ্রো কৰিলে হয় তেতিয়াহলে প্ৰবলেমই নাই, কিন্তু সাইটোপ্লাজম কন্টেন্টটো বেছি ফাস্ট ইনক্রিজ কৰে এজ কম্পেয়ার্ড টু দ্য নিউক্লিয়াস, সেই কাৰণে খেলিমেলি হৈ যায়, রাইট? এটা যদি সেল এটো সেলে যেতিয়া ডাঙৰ হ'ব তাৰ সবতছে আগতে বেছি কি হ'ব, সাইটোপ্লাজম কিনি বেছি হ'ব, লাহে লাহে নিউক্লিয়াস বেছি হ'ব। সাইটোপ্লাজম যেতিয়া বেছি হৈ গ'ল নিউক্লিয়াসে কন্ট্রোল কৰিব নোৱাৰা হ'ল, যদি নিউক্লিয়াসে কন্ট্রোল কৰিব নোৱাৰে দ্যাট ইজ এট ওয়ান পইণ্ট ওয়েৰ দ্য সেল উইল ডিভাইড, কাৰণ কোনোবাইতো সেলটো কন্ট্রোল কৰিব লাগিব, কন্ট্রোলে যদি কৰিব নোৱাৰে সেলটো দেখোন ফাংশন প্ৰপাৰলি নকৰিব। Okay, that's all. So this is all about why does a cell divide. Next we have to discuss about the M phase. M phase or dividing phase. A dividing phase we have to talk about what? Mitosis and meiosis. So we will be talking about mitosis first and then we will be talking about meiosis. I think today the class is almost over because it's already no? So that's all for today. Next class we will be discussing mitosis. Alright. So up till then, jimankhini interface related questions ase, jimanbur MCQs ase, please go through that and try to do and solve those. Right? And please bring your doubts in the next class. Thank you for today.